Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert speech to text on your phone. So the first step is open up Play Store, then download this application. It's called SoundType AI. So it translates the voice to text. So after downloading it, go ahead and open it, and then once you open it, it will look like this at the home page. So tap on this plus icon, then tap on import, then choose audio. Now you're going to choose an audio that you recorded or even a song, and it will convert it into text. So quickly I'll choose this one here. This is a song actually. Then I'll tap on submit. So when I tap on submit, it will then start uploading the song to the application, and then the conversation or the converting will start. So the upload is successful. So the converting has started. As you can read here, it says will notify you via mobile app when your transcription is ready. So let's wait and see. Alright, so it has finished converting. As you can see here, it has notified me that the converting is ready. So quickly I'll just come and tap on that. As you can see, the song has been turned into text. Here it says let me down slowly. Actually, this is the technical bit song over here. So quickly, that's how it works, guys. If you want, you can rate this application 5 star for me. Okay, so simply that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.